Yes. Finally. There's a rain special wheel. I have been imagining this would happen because a special and a $30 bundle, including gems and bananas for a currency, the banana currency that would last literally like 2 more days. Didn't think it would happen. So finally we got a rain wheel, and he's still rare, 2% chance, so I probably will have to buy more gems. I should have closed that window all the way, but anyway, let's just get into it. Bam. Did I spin one? I don't know why. I got Swimmer Bob. I don't know where he is. Okay, I gotta memorize his surroundings. I have chocolate milk. It's not bad. Did I get Swimmer Bob twice? No. I'm not paying attention. Alright, let's hope we can cop this guy. Oh, maybe. No. I don't know where he is, so I'm just trying to scope. Oh, maybe. A little farther. This guy, he's free right now in the shop. Why is he in here? That's a freaking legendary. Maybe? Oh, okay, we're getting close. I think I probably shouldn't have been spinning the nude wheel that was in the shop yesterday. I have both the nude skins. I was just spinning it for fun, which is, I've never done something so stupid. So at least in Stumble Guys, we got 2 new skins, so that's good. Let's go another 10. We should get this in 80 spins, 90 spins. At least. So my hands always, I can't control it, but my hands go up as I see the skin. You bro, get Swimmer Bob needs to get out of here right now. Chocolate milk is good though. I can't my diet has been like soup since yesterday, since I got braces, so I've been only like drinking liquids. Swimmer Bob, bro, get out of here. Oh, this could be the one. Nope, never mind. Swimmer Bob. I'm just getting Swimmer Bob or his friends. Alright, something different. Good. Come on, I wish there were actually like good skins in here. Oh, come on. I knew it too. It was too slow. Oh no. Another 10. About to use every last gem. We might have to go into the we might have to go 40 spins. I got my package paper under there. Oh, I'm so sorry. I got to shut that window. His motorcycle is out right now. Should I do a no look? I'm gonna do a no look. Yeah, I didn't want to get like a reaction, so I was gonna like look last second. This is not good whatsoever. Guys, it's a scam. It's a scam, guys. I like mix it around. I actually use the syrup, but we got like the powder today. So getting all these legendaries. A lot of tokens. Still no special. Wow. Alright. The last 10 that we can afford before we have to buy some. Please God. This was my next battle pass money right here. If you don't have the penguins, then like what are you doing? Could be it. I've only seen it like once. It only trolled me once. Like trolled. We finally got this guy. He's a duplicate anyway, but he's free in the shop right now. Dude, this is not how this is supposed to go. Come on. Dude, this is annoying. Just give me the special. Oh! I hit my tooth. The second day of braces are very sensitive. Oh, well, that was it. I buy this one. This one's a super good deal, but I don't have that skin. Oh yeah. Let's get this real quick. At least it gives you tokens. But we still do not have Moraine special. What shall we do? Besides spin the free wheel. I had the I had a Steam gift card, so I had to spend like $1. Well, I got this skin too, that's cool. But now our gems are back up to where they were before and $15 down the drain. So would the $30 bundle be worth it because you're getting gems too? But I don't know. I think spinning wheels is fun. Should we just spin 5? I mean, yeah, it can't hurt. It's not like spinning 10 at a time is like a huge deal. We might get it soon, hopefully. Because we've already spun, what, 40? We have to get it soon. Okay. Hopefully, this wheel isn't a scam. I'm starting to think it is. Luckily, I exited the game though and came back. So, if it was like tweaking, now it should be fixed. Dude, this is starting to get a little annoying. Look at all the freaking. Alright, we'll spin another 5 to even it out. Oh, dang it. Oh my god, please, dude. Please, please, please. This is starting to get unbearable. This is actually awful. Dude, there's no way. Get out of here, Swimmer Bob. I forgot your name at this point. God, you suck. Last one. Let's do a 10. Please. Yes! 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 Oh my god, my freaking camera fell. I didn't have to spend all those freaking gems though. If I knew I was 2 spins away. God dang it. That sucks, but whatever. That reaction clip's gonna be so dookie because I freaking flipped the camera. I knew I should have done another 5, just like single, but whatever. Now I can just sit here in silence and listen to my money being falling down the drain. Yeah, I got your Swimmer Bob. Look at it. Oh, this guy wasn't a duplicate. Yes. 2,600 gems remaining. Let's go. Let's go. We got the rain special. So now all I need is freaking you, Ruby Cupid. Hopefully your wheel returns. Sensei Fire Fist. I think my only chance of getting this is like the all special wheel, but it returned and he wasn't in it. But a lot of other ones weren't either. And then Gridiron, which hopefully your wheel will return one day. But yeah, I can buy this again. Nah, it's bugging. Oh, I could also get this. Shoot. don't think I have either of those. I know I don't have the skin for sure, right? But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Yeah, I don't have her. Thank you all for watching. And I'll see you all next video. OJ out. I can't do the fart anymore. I have braces. I can't do the fart. Oh, it hurt though. Wait, what's this? Oh, Slippery Guys is back? They added the 2 new ones. Let's go. I want to play that. Alright, bye.